Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our installation videos to you guys. What we've been working on today is this brand new 2019 Range Rover Velar. What we've installed is two products to this vehicle. So we've added in the Blackview DR900S 2-channel system with an extended battery, as well as a Thatcham approved tracking system. In this video, what we're going to be doing is showing you a little bit more about the products that we've installed, also running you through a little bit about the features and how you can book in with us, and also about how this customer's interacted with our business today. So we'll start off with a bit about the product. The first product we're going to be talking you through is the dash camera solution. So this solution is for those of you who don't want to sacrifice anything on quality and want the best that's available at this given time. So just bear in mind the date of this video, this is the top spec system that you can buy in the UK currently. So what this system is called is a DR900S 2-channel system, and what that allows you to do, it gives you a 4K image quality front camera, a really discreet rear camera, and then what it does, it protects your vehicle while your car is parked. The way it does that is it records onto, or has power from a separate battery that we install. On these Range Rover Velars, what we add that in, where we locate that battery, is underneath the driver's seat typically. But if you want that position somewhere else, by all means we can do that, and we can do a consultation and design exactly where you want that placed. Normal traditional camera systems, you take out the ignition and your dash camera will turn off and your vehicle is left vulnerable. If you want to protect your asset, this is a phenomenal way to do so. So as you turn off your ignition, the dash camera does turn off as such. But then what it does, obviously your car is not providing power to that dash camera now. But the little battery does so, and that gives the dash camera power, so it can record if someone walks in front of the car. Also, it's got an internal G sensor in it, so if someone bumps into the vehicle, it will save into a separate category as an incident. So a really cool way of protecting your vehicle and your asset. The dash camera is all based around the cloud. If you look up, it's on our website, so you can see all the tech specs of that system as well. But if you go onto the Blackview website, you'll see a couple of our installation videos on there as well of other vehicles that we've done. But also you can see all the tech specs in full of the camera system as well. What you'll find is that this is far superior to any camera solution that's on the market, and a really nice way and neat solution if you're looking into dash cameras. So the next product that we've installed is the Thatcham approved S5 VTS system. This customer has travelled around about an hour and a half to us to have the work carried out, and also driven straight from the dealership this morning straight to us so we can carry out the work. So the main thing that this customer was concerned about was protecting his new asset. So the Thatcham approved tracking system allows for an application on your phone which is called My Connected Car. We've done a full video which has got a McLaren on in the back of the video as well, which we installed into, but you can check that out on our website and all the details are fully on there for you. But this tracking system comes with what's called 2 ADR cards. You just need to keep one of those present with you, and if you don't keep one of those present, or if the vehicle is stolen, you'll get a phone call just asking you whether you are in the vehicle or not. If you're not in the vehicle and you've got your 2 ADR cards with you, that's obviously you reporting that as stolen. They'll liaise directly with the police and get your vehicle recovered. The typical recovery time is under 30 minutes. Obviously that does vary a little bit, but generally speaking, it's a very swift recovery time, and a lot of the time there's no damage occurred to the vehicle as well, due to the time that obviously it's being recovered in. A really nice solution for if you're looking into vehicle tracking. We really believe that any vehicle with keyless entry, or any high-end vehicle for that matter, should be tracked using these systems. They're very, very good. They're very discreet. They're completely hidden away, and they work on a subscription basis. So feel free to get into contact with us for any tracking systems, and we can go through all the options for those as well. So in terms of how this customer has interacted with our business today, he's come from around about an hour or so away. He saw one of our other YouTube videos, actually a dash camera solution on this same vehicle. And he saw the video, really liked what we were offering, and he gave us a call and booked in. He was taking delivery of his new vehicle today, and what he did, he collected the vehicle. We liaised directly with him over the last couple of months, and he's booked in the vehicle, driven directly from the dealership straight to ourselves so we could carry out the work. He's also taken advantage of our courtesy car scheme. So we've got manual vehicles which are readily available. We've also got a premium automatic vehicle. So when you drop off your premium vehicle, you can sit in a premium vehicle and have a nice, luxurious loan car as well in an automatic if you wanted to. But all those details again are listed on our website under the loan car section, and you can see all the T's and C's for the loan cars as well. So customers taken advantage of that facility, and shortly we're going to be handing over the vehicle to the customer and guiding them through exactly how to use the tracking system, exactly a quick run through on how to use the dash camera as well. And we hand over everything in terms of all the boxes and all the user instructions too as well. So the customer can go home, read through those if he gets any problems or anything. And we've also got us to call if there is any questions that they have. So there's loads of ways. If you are based further afield, we've actually made a whole new section to our website. We're having loads of people come from all over the country to us. So we've made our website now that focuses directly on people traveling from further afield. So you can book in at local hotels. We've also arranged local deals with some local hotels in the area. So if you are staying the night in Cambridge, you've got some deals as well to get hold of, as well as local things to do and a bit of like a TripAdvisor guide to things to do within Cambridge. If you give us a call, we'll happily explain the best routes and options for what to do while you're in Cambridge. Alternatively, you can take courtesy vehicles or we can drop you off at a station. So thank you very much for watching this short video on the Range Rover Velar and the products that we've added to this system. So thank you, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.